losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000.
So I just open the CapCut and you can see there is a first window and it shows that option that is Join Pro. So this is basically, I wanted to show that this is the free version I'm using, and I'll just begin with the create project. From here you can import the file which wanted to change the flickering, or you can just simply drag from the folder. I'm just I'll drag the file in the CapCut. So I just drag the file, and this is the file which we are trying to remove the flicker. So I'll just place this file first as it is without changing anything, and let's begin with trying the pro version options, and let's see whether it is able to remove the flickering or not. So we'll find the options. If you go to basic, first you need to click the video, go to the basic, and then from here you can able to find the remove flicker. I'll just click on the remove flicker, and you can see that there is the message is appearing. It is showing that processing, and the default level it is showing this as a recommended. So let's wait for some time so that it will finish the processing. Now it is about to finish the processing to 100%. So let's wait for a few more seconds. So it is showing that removing flicker is applied in the video. So let's play a video and let's see what it is achieved. So you can see there is like even though I'm not satisfied with the results, there are a lot of flickering in the background. So let's change the setting from recommended to strong, and again it is showing that processing, and it took almost first run almost 2 to 3 minutes. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes for even for this run, and let's see the results. Now this is about to finish the another run with the strong level, and then let's play the video. So even after changing and the strong level, the video background is still, there is a lot of flicker is there. For 1 minute and 49 seconds it took almost 10 minutes to remove the flicker, but it is failed to remove. So let's try with my method. So first thing first, I'll just remove the pro version option, that is remove flicker. I'll just uncheck this because it's not giving us satisfactory results, and this is the pro version. So like we'll try to make these options with the free version only, and same thing is applicable for even for the mobile application. I just zoomed in, nothing much, and this is the original video, and let me play one more time, and you can see there is a flicker is there. I'll just make it little bit bigger here, and you can see that the flicker is there, it's in the video, and we are trying to remove the flicker from this video. I'll not do anything, I'll just copy this, click on the video, Control C and Control V. The first video, let me make a little bit bigger in this area. So first video I'll just align to first frame. So if you are new, this is the frame, the time scale. So this is 00, first frame, second frame. So I'll just pasted the video at the beginning. I have changed to the first frame. Again I'll copy this video and I'll paste, and this time I'll put as at the second frame. You can see as 2F. So this is second frame. I have not changed anything, I just copy pasted, and let's play the video with this situation. And as you can see, there is like even audio also we need to change something. So there is a flicker is there, nothing much change. Now I'll pick the second video and I'll change the, if you go to video and then blend options and we to expand, from here you can change the opacity to 66% and I'll hit enter. I'll simply click on the third video and here also I'll change the opacity to 33%. So here I'm trying to change the opacity from 66%. This is the 100%. I'm not changing anything. This is the original video. Here 66% and this is the 33%. Nothing much change. Only the in the blend option I've kept default. Don't change anything here because the results will change with this. So keep it default. I'm not change any options here in the bottom because it's a pro version. Many options are there from the pro version, so I'll keep it same as like we are trying to look for some free options. And then even the paid option is not able to solve our issue. And now I'll make it the new arrangement play. And so first of all I'll change the even the I'll mute the audio of the other two videos. I kept the audio. This is slow motion video. This is recorded with the iPhone 15 with the 240 frame rate. So I'm not interested in even audio also. I can mute these also, but I'll as of now I'll keeping these. For the other two videos I kept the mute button because it will sound little weird because we have changed the frame rate time. Now I'll make it to full screen and I'll just play the video. And now you can see there is no flicker in the background. Forget the first 1 or 2 frames, but from there onward, like you can see in the background there is no flicker at all. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Also stay tuned for another video. Thank you.